Alright, so today we're going to be taking you through how to configure and use the Linkus app on a mobile phone to be able to connect to your hosted phone system. So to get started, you're going to need the Linkus app. Now it looks like this. You can get it from the App Store by searching Linkus, like that. So it's available on Android and iOS. So Linkus, Yaystar Linkus mobile app. So this is the one that you want, Yaystar Linkus mobile client. You need to install that and then open it. Now to be able to connect, you're going to need the URL or domain name of your phone system, which you should be able to get from us. So in here, we will put in our name. They should all be at .yaystarcloud.au, and then the first part will be custom to you. So Gunners, that's our test setup. So we've just put in the server name in there. Now, depending on how you've got this configured, if you've got it configured to link to your Microsoft account, you would click that Microsoft button there, the little square with the 4 colors, and that will actually allow you to use your email address and password through your Microsoft system to be able to authenticate. For the ones that don't have Microsoft integration, you're going to have a username and password. So you can contact us to get your username and password, or you've probably been given that as part of your install and handover documentation. So for our demo purposes, we've got it set up with username and password just because it's not production. So we've just got it set up on the system. So I'll just put in those credentials. So once you've got your credentials in, click login. So now this will actually connect to the system. On your first login, it's going to ask you for the permissions. Now you're going to want it to be able to connect to your microphone and your camera. So we're just going to click allow. One thing to note is, do you want it to be able to access your contacts on your phone? If you do, say continue. If you don't, click don't allow. We're going to let it do continue and allow it to have full access. And also for the camera, just in case you ever do a video call through here. Not many people use it for that, but it does have the ability to do it. So if you want it to be able to access your camera turned on, if you don't, you can say no as well. Now we can see that we're actually connected. So this little green thing here, you can see here my test user, extension 1001. So that was the other user. We've got 2 on here for demo. So yeah, our test user's connected and it's green. So its presence is available. So now to make a call out of here, it's pretty straightforward. Basically, from this app, this is using your business phone system. So if you make a call out of this app, it's going to show your work phone number. People can call you back as well. So let's just make a call, type in the number. This is our office number, press call, and there you go. Now that's actually calling us. So that's gone through to our live production phone. So that's basically it. To make a call, type in the phone number, press the call button. Now something that you can note as well on the phone system. So we've got our function keys. Now that mirrors the keys that are on your desk phone. So basically at the moment we've got our users showed up. So GBS demo and test user, they're the 2 actual phone handsets that we've got. We are test user. Then we've got call park 1, call park 2. So if you wanted to pick up a phone call from that call park and there was someone on there, you could press the button. Because I've pressed it and there's no one on it, it's calling it. But if it was red and there was someone on it, you can press it and actually take that parked call. And then for incoming calls, it'll basically ring, press answer, same like a normal phone. We've also got our voicemail and recordings on here. So if we have call recordings enabled, you can go back and listen to them. Also on here, if we had transcription enabled, next to this little I, it would actually give you the transcription for that phone call. We haven't got transcription enabled on this one, just because it needs an additional license and we don't have it on the demo one. And that's basically it. So we can also use this plus button to add contacts and stuff as well. So if you wanted to add a contact to your contacts, you can. And then if you want to go back to these other buttons here, so we've got our directory. You can have a look at your contacts here. That's basically it. So if you are watching this and you do have one of our systems and you have any questions, you can contact our help desk. Otherwise, if you do have questions and you're not one of our clients, reach out to your IT provider or whoever's sort of managing your phone system with any additional questions.